Hi, I'm Emmanuel, founder of Plenitude, and want to make this quick little video running through how we're currently booking meetings with enterprise companies for our clients at the moment, which is really, really cool and quite a fun strategy. With enterprise, we've tested a different clients outreach. We've kind of seen it's kind of a different game reaching out to normal or small businesses where you can just pitch offers, offer guarantees, etc. With enterprise, you kind of have to be way more value driven and unique with your approach. So we'll kind of show you guys what's working for us as of now and what we're planning to scale. So this is a client of ours. Here's a couple campaign stats we can kind of show here for recent campaigns. So this was kind of during the Christmas period. We're now going to scale this further 2026. So you kind of see good positive replies. We booked good meetings from these two, which is quite nice. I can also talk more into a different video on the back end we're using to get decent deliverability with enterprises as well. And yeah, quickly, I made a quick Canva just to display this for you as well. I do present. And it's quite a cool strategy. So what we're literally doing is, I'll show you the email one. So if we, email one is literally here. So this is email one. This is our email two. Apologies for all the blocking we're doing. Just like, I obviously show you source, but not give away too much to protect our client as well. But what we've done, this client for context is an AI SEO company basically where they're optimizing marketing teams, processes, and SEO with AI. And they basically developed this study they've done with different big clients in the space in regards to AI SEO, AI search, optimizing marketing with AI. So all we literally did, our email one was like, hi, name, can we share insights on how? So this is Tony. So Tony is quite a big company, for example, that we booked a meeting with that I'll show you now. So we literally just said, hi, can we share insights on how Tony's can? And then the result we can give them through this study we're going to give to them. So, hey, can we show you exactly how your company can improve your AI placements, for example, through this study we did with X, Y, and Z clients? I'll follow up because they didn't reply to the first email. It's like, hey, for context below, we recently analyzed. So, kind of go in depth into how we got the results from our study with big clients and then kind of take a nice cool takeaway from the study like, hey, even though most of these teams performed well on Google, they still lacked in these areas. Thought this would be useful for your use. Can I send you the findings? We then got the bite and reply there, which is really cool. Sure, would be interested. The moment they responded, this was the CMO as well, which is really, really cool. So the moment they responded, we literally, so this is the response we gave to them. Like, hey, perfect. I've attached a short PDF for you now. So we kind of had the study as a PDF format for them, like just 10 to 12 slides, nicely digestible, but valuable, which is the most important thing. And then we kind of then after we give them the study, we're like, hey, based on the study, we can also give you a free audit based on the study to custom to your needs. Would you be free to do this next week? The CMO then replied and then also tagged in someone who leads the media strategy. And wanted a call with him and his other heads for the media team basically. And then after that, all we literally did was, if this works, literally pitched them 3 different times. They then said, yes, let's do these times. And that's how we booked in Tony's, the CMO and the head of media and stuff, which is a big meeting. And now the client is still in the process of getting that deal closed, which is really exciting. The main take home that I want you to take from this video is what we're seeing with enterprise work, offering like just credible value, like something that I actually find valuable. So for us, I guess I'm lucky this client is someone where they have researched and worked with big names in the space when it comes to AI marketing. So they were able to produce really valuable insights that we could then share to people. Once they see how good the insights are, we can then offer them an audit. And because they now trust us because of the insights, of course, an audit makes sense. So then when they hop on the audit and we provide them even more value, it just you kind of see no brainer. We'll just provide more and more value, showing our worth, and eventually we can then upsell them to our packages from there. So this is a quick little insight to the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you'd like a custom cold email strategy developed just for your business, tailored to your case studies, your offer, your target market, please just book a free strategy call down below and we can build something free for you as well. Thank you for your time. See you soon.